How to fix Microsoft Team app crashing on your phone. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to first close the application and then reopen it again. This can fix temporary glitches. Now make sure you have stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, since a poor connection can cause the app to crash or freeze. After that, restart your phone to clear any glitches or system issues. And after that, you can open up the App Store. In the search bar, search for the Team application and then tap onto it. Now, if there's any update button, you can simply tap onto it and let your application update to its latest version. Now, if the issue still continues, you have to clear Teams app cache on Android. And if you are using your iPhone, you can open up Settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage. Inside here, search for the Team application, tap onto it, then tap on Upload app. Now tap on Upload app one more time and then reinstall the application. Also make sure you have enough space storage on your device, as low storage can affect app performances. Now finally, if nothing works, you can uninstall the application and then reinstall it back again. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.